morning.
Welcome to day 10. Just going to be probably one part again today because we're just going to Volcano Bay. We're just going to Volcano Bay, that's not a big issue. We're going to Volcano Bay, which we're excited about. Hopefully Phil doesn't get injured this time. Rob just asked if I've packed a first aid kit and I haven't. Probably a big mistake.
I think there's one in the hire car, to be honest.
Well, there might be, but they had to call paramedic. So if you haven't watched last time's vlogs, when we went to Volcano Bay, they've got the oh yeah and the oh no slides. We didn't go on oh yeah because it was small, so we went on the oh no slide. It was the first one we went on, and Phil banged his head, and because he obviously lands in the water, the blood like just went everywhere basically because of the water, and they had to call the paramedic out. Well, the on-site paramedic, but yeah, funny. Yeah. First off, we're going to Einstein Bagels, Einstein Bros Bagels or something.
Bagel like Bros?
No, Einstein Bagels or something like that. Anyway, over on Dr. Phillips for breakfast, so we'll show you what we get when we get there.
I'm happy with just like a cream cheese bagel.
I think you can get that.
She's gone. She's gone.
So much for it's like 5 to 9.
She's in a rush.
Also, when we're in Volcano Bay, obviously we're not going to take the camera. That'll stay in the locker until we're done. Wrong side. Phil will be recording on his phone because we've got waterproof phones and he's also got a waterproof case. So we'll be recording probably in the lazy river, the fearless river, whatever it's called, on our phones. So you will see a bit of footage of it. These are all the bagels, muffins and everything else. And then that is the menu. So what happens is you basically pick what you want from the menu and then you pick what bagel you have it on. So I've got 1 egg with bacon and cheese on a pretzel bagel down here, and you've got
turkey sausage and cheddar.
So a turkey sausage, cheddar and 2 eggs you got, didn't you?
Yeah.
And you got it on a 6 cheese bagel, didn't you? Which is there, yeah. Cool. Here's the bagels.
Bloody lovely.
And there's mine. And how much did it come to?
$14.
$14 for a nice small, you know, not very greasy breakfast. Lovely. So when we came last time, we didn't come in this way because we were staying at Cabana Bay.
Yeah, we come in.
So we came in through like the back way through Cabana Bay way, so it's nice to go in through this way, isn't it? Okay, so last time we came in, we tried to do this as well. So when you come in, walk round to the left, set of lockers there, and then you can go right the way around, and they're even quieter lockers, aren't they? So,
yes.
However, last time because we had early access, we couldn't get around to there. So that is what we're going to do this time. We're going to the quiet ones, aren't we? And then scope out a space on the beach to put our stuff down, and then have a look how long the wait times are and
maybe get a feelers river.
See what we can get done, yeah.
Feelers.
And it's warm as well already, isn't it? So
some cabanas up there. The cabanas look lovely. Like if you got a cabana booked, they do look amazing.
yeah, we know people have got cabana booked.
Yeah.
That's what I say to you lot.
Fooey to you. That'd be incredible.
Yeah, 3 hours.
Really busy. We did quite a lot though, to be fair, because it was busy. We did a few of the raft rides.
Shocker, man.
We went round on the Fearless River 4 times, didn't we?
Yeah.
Did the lazy river, went in the wave pool. It was just really hot as well, wasn't it? To be like
no shade anywhere.
Yeah, really hot to be just stood around in queues, waiting to go on water rides when you're wet. So that's the issue with it, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're soaking wet, and then you're going to get burned because you can't reapply sunscreen every time you come out of the water. So yeah, we're now on our way to Panda Express, which we're excited about. I'm starving now after all that walking about. So we're about to go through security, so we'll see you at Panda Express. We both went with a medium plate. I got sesame, honey chicken, beef and broccoli with rice, and Phil got chow mein, and then you've got orange chicken and Beijing beef, and then 2 spring rolls. These are huge, by the way, and these are just the mediums, so we'll tuck in and see how it is.
Yeah, looks lovely.
Yeah, looks really nice. Okay, so our fortune cookies, my fortune says, your passionate heart will today meet a matching flame. Phil says, it's wise to follow your first choice. That was lovely though. You're not going to finish that?
All over it.
I didn't finish mine. It's a lot of food. You'll see this one right here. Although we're not going to Universal, we may as well go to the big pink building next door.
Okay, I'm not going to do it.
Not even for later.
I'm alright, then. Don't forget we've got tomorrow as well.
Yeah. We're going to Kiki's for breakfast tomorrow, so like we are going to Voodoo Donuts now, so I'll show you what I get. I only got 3.
Oh.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
So I got a Voodoo for Phil, even though he said he didn't want one.
Thank you.
I got a Portland cream, which I'm assuming is like a Boston cream.
Yeah.
But these are from Portland, and that's a guava colada, which is like a
Pineapple and coconut.
and guava, I assume.
Oh, I don't even know what guava is. I thought that was Bapu.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go with this one because look at the size of it. You have no idea the size of them when you're looking at them in the case, if that makes any sense.
Well, the good thing is we're not far from going straight to put it in the room anyway, so they won't go off or nothing.
They'll go straight in the fridge.
What do you reckon?
Nice. All I've got is cake and coconut so far.
It's good donut batter though, isn't it? It's not like What are you laughing at?
I've got a mouthful. Okay. I think this one's going to have jelly in the mouthful.
Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Good taste. Not even dip your finger in jelly. It's good. Really good. Okay. Well, it's on. We're ready and we're off to Hollywood Studios. We're going to try and get on Rider Resistance, and by try I mean we are. It is 5 o'clock. I've been checking and it's been consistently 80 minutes, so we're just going to wait it, aren't we?
It's going to be a tough 80 minutes.
Yeah, it will be, but it's been such a relaxed day. It's going to be tough for you because you're feeling rubbish still, but it'll be worth it when we've been on it because it's going to be our first go, and you know, it's going to be amazing. So I've got my Loungefly ears on, her Universe little play suit, and I don't know whether I'm stupid or not, but Vans tend to be quite okay. So I've got my brand new Vans on that I brought the other day. They're bright white. Phil has got shorts on as usual, if we're speaking English, and then he's got a Magical Day punch it chewy top on. and for a change Phil's going bagless and I'm taking my Danielle Nicole Grogu bag again. So that's it. Did I say we've got Ogas?
Oh, good. Oh.
Can't remember. We've got Ogas Canteen reservations for 9:30 with Jamie, Nick, Leanne and Rob. So that's going to be really good. Really excited. Phil's buying a lightsaber.
A legacy lightsaber, yeah.
Which I'm excited about. No, he is. He's wanted one for years and he keeps changing his mind. He's buying one.
It's a lot of money for just a lightsaber.
And then we're going to take really cool pictures outside the Falcon. Which I'm excited about. We'll have half an hour to do the pictures with all of us from when Doc's closes and our Ogas reservation.
Yes.
So that's the plan. So, Rise of Resistance. Let's do this. Let's go. You got everything?
What do I need?
House keys, car keys, wallet, vape.
Wallet, vape,
Sunglasses.
car keys, sunglasses.
Wallet. Have I said wallet? Have you got your wallet?
Oh, magic band.
Magic band.
It's in the car.
In the car. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. Droid is ready.
Hollywood Studios. Awesome parking.
Yeah, so
We're like 3 rows from the front.
yeah. It's 5:30, so the park's open for like another 3.5 hours. So it's not like it's really late. But we're parked in Mickey 302, I think. But like literally, this should be preferred parking, surely. Yeah, let me just take a picture. That's fine. So obviously, I'm not sure we're gonna need
Do you?
to remember where we parked anyway.
No, I don't.
302 or whatever. Yeah, so we're on that row and there's like 1, 2, 3. Literally 6 rows of cars in front. And then it's the charger cars, so...
Sorry, I'm not on you whatsoever.
Sorry, yes, there's 6 rows of cars in front of us, but some of those are disabled parking and some of those are also electric car charging, so we are very, very, very close. It's not going to be a long walk back to the car this evening at all.
No, which is good.
Very good. Thank you. So let's just check.
What is the time for rise at the minute?
Just about to check.
May as well go straight there if we can.
Absolutely, yeah. So rise currently is 50 minutes.
Let's do it.
Tower of Terror is 105 minutes. Like,
It must have went down or something, surely.
No, because even the other day when we were here, I know that was May 4th, so it was busy everywhere, but like, even then it was ridiculous. 105 minutes. Yeah, 50 minutes.
Right, we're not far from security.
We're probably not going to film anything until we come off Rise now.
Yeah, we're not gonna film rise.
No, because for us, people who've not been on Rise, when we watch vlogs and people film Rise, we then have to fast forward it and it's annoying and you can still see clips of it, and because we've avoided 99% of Rise, haven't we?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I haven't got a clue about any of the line.
the only thing I know is there's like a line of stormtroopers.
Yeah, I've seen that. That's the only thing I know.
That is it. Like genuinely, that is all we know from Rise. So we've done really, really well, I think, from keeping off all of anything media to do with Rise. So we're excited. So yeah, we'll let you know what we think. Then.
See you in a bit. Welcome to Batu.
Yeah, the Dorian.
We've just done Rise.
We've just done rise.
It was a 45-minute wait, by the way.
45 minutes.
We didn't film any of it, like we said, but thank God there's not a photo pass because I'll be honest.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
That was me, the whole entire ride.
It was so good. I'm not sure it'll have the same impact the second time. It'll still be good.
Yeah, it'll still be incredible.
But initial impact is
But
amazing.
yeah, absolutely, yeah. It's all.
Really
But I'd imagine once you've been round it once, you can also notice little things that you didn't notice the first time round.
Yeah.
But wow.
Wow. I agree. So good.
Yeah. So Hagrid's Velocicoaster and Rise are the only rides that have ever like made me like speechless, I suppose.
Yeah.
don't know. I'm surprised I didn't cry, to be honest.
I think she was close at one point.
Yeah, when the pre-show, I suppose, probably was.
It's weird because it's like the pre-show is part of the show. It's not even the pre-show.
Yeah,
It's brilliant how they've done it. You'll have to go on it.
Amazing. It's now 7 o'clock. Probably going to go and find Jamie and Nick.
Yeah.
See what's going on with them.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm waiting for Leanna Rob to get here.
I need a drink.
Yeah, me too. What do you want to get? Starbucks? Coffees?
Refresher, I think.
Okay, let's head to Starbucks and we'll tell Jamie that that's where we are.
Okay.
So we've just done Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad also.
Right good.
Right good, it's really good. So that's our first time on that as well, with Jamie and Nick.
Hey baby.
What was that?
Hey baby.
That was probably to Tom. Fantastic. Anyway, so that was a really good ride, and now we're just going to find Rob and Leanne somewhere.
Oh, on the way in, are they?
I don't know.
Maybe?
Maybe.
Last I heard they're on the bus.
We're heading somewhere. We don't know where. That was so good, wasn't it?
Yeah,
really good, like really, really good. And on the way out, when you're coming out on the left hand side, there's a picture of Walt in his train. Look out for it.
Remember that.
Remember that. Walt in his train. We found them. Hello. Leanne and Rob. As far as it goes.
Oh, Dameron.
Oh, Rob's disappeared.
Oh.
And we're all together. Nothing can stop me now. Nothing can stop me now.
Couple of things.
Nothing can stop me now.
Like half an hour of us.
We're vlogging the vlog. Extra vlogs. Vloggy vlog. Vloggy vlog.
Like Inception.
Oh, it is Inception. It is. Within a vlog.
So we have to go get some food now, I think.
Look, we can film their camera. Jamie has just shared something shocking with the group.
Shocking.
That he's not a fan of Figment.
One and done. Absolute one and done.
No.
2 thumbs down for me. Well.
Wow.
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 Kind of ride. That's my mic drop moment.
It's definitely my kind of ride, considering I've got his tattooed on me. So.
Ben Affleck's the best Batman.
No, he is not. How dare you? Blasphemy. Michael Keaton is the best.
Affleck. Talk about Lego Batman.
Lego Batman.
Lego Batman. Talk about Lego Batman. He comes back from the bed.
Michael Keaton. Where's Phil? Have we lost him? There he is. I think so. I'm starving. We haven't eaten since like 1:30, have we? This way?
We ate a lot of late, but we had the Cheshire Cat tail, that was it.
I really want one of them. Are they nice?
So nice. Like, here's this Amphana chocolate with spice on it.
Oh, okay.
We got that. We had the Mad Hatters birthday tea as well, which was really nice.
What's that, like iced tea? Yeah. Oh.
Sour apple.
Yes, that sounds good. What's going on down there?
The hot chocolate time. Have you ever seen that little?
Some sort of Starship Enterprise there.
That was kind of galactic, I thought it was. We talked about seeing a warrior princess.
And Hercules. The fastest hunky junk in the galaxy, is that what it says? It's so pretty.
How are you feeling, man?
Volcano Bay 7. First time we've been in. I like it. Obviously, as usual, amazing theming. I like this. Phil Zara doing a mobile order. But
Hello.
hello.
Food is ordered. You said we were, didn't you? Volcano Bay 7.
Yes.
So Phil got some spicy chicken tip yip.
Yep.
And I got normal one. Phil got his with rice and I got mac and cheese. Let's tuck in. And Leanne and Rob also got food. And Jamie and Nick are busy drinking already. Finished the food. That was really good, wasn't it?
Really good.
$35 it came to for the 2 meals and a large Sprite. Yeah, really good. Nice, quick service food, wasn't it?
Can't complain.
Different as well, isn't it? Not your usual side fries and chicken nuggets. Don't get me wrong, it was 2 big chicken nuggets, but like really, really nice. Mac and cheese, some veggies was nice as well. Twice I've had broccoli today, which is more than I've had in the last 12 days or something ridiculous.
You want to give it a go, Bob?
Yeah. And now in a minute we're going to go and get Phil a lightsaber.
Go back home. And then
we're going to lightsaber each other in the Millennium Falcon.
Way!
Are they the same place you get in Savis?
Yes and no. They're the same kind of place, but we do not sell the 31-inch, which is linked to the Sabi site.
Okay.
We have 26-inch and 36-inch.
But I have one from Savis. So that
They can work with these things.
Oh, that's dangerous.
So you don't necessarily stay excited, but remember to break.
Phil is very sad right now because he wanted either Luke's or Obi-Wan's lightsaber and they don't have it. So these are what they do have. But she's just said does someone want to hold one, so now Jamie is playing with a lightsaber. Phil is so sad right now. Will you be getting any more in stock? Like Luke's or Obi-Wan's? Well, Obi-Wan's mostly.
So this is the Sarlacc. And this is the Sarlacc.
I'm a Sarlacc.
No different. No different.
Jamie's that excited that he might get the black crystal.
It's likely not.
That he's opening it right now. I can't wait for the disappointment on his face.
You're a good friend. And isn't that black? Nope, it is not. Right, whole day ruined.
At least that's yours and Phil's ruined.
I would have had no idea.
So if you can tell, Phil is a little bit heartbroken about the fact he hasn't got a lightsaber. But we'll check every time we come back, won't we, and try and get... They said Obi-Wan's is retired. They can bring it out of retirement, but we were speaking to another guy from the UK next to us and he wanted Obi-Wan's as well. And it's so bizarre because Obi-Wan's due, right now, as of the 8th of May, Obi-Wan's due out at the end of the month.
Yeah, 3 weeks.
So you'd think they'd have an Obi-Wan lightsaber in there because of how big Obi-Wan's going to be, but no.
I have to be convinced to get it anyway, so I'm not really that bothered.
That's what it's telling himself. Anyway, Ogas in 25 minutes. The park is officially closed. It's 9:15 and our reservation is in 15 minutes. So there's really not many people here.
Jamie's on transit door.
I feel like we should...
Your phone?
An iPhone?
An iPhone?
No, pick it up and take it to a cast member then. Sorry, Phil just found a phone, so yeah. Here's the Millennium Falcon. I feel like we all need to get a picture here. Right, everyone in. Everyone in. Yeah. Oh, really? We don't even get to sit down? I'm just good at the bar. I don't even get a seat.
Because she's so stubborn.
Well, you know, like.
Ogas done. As you can see, people are taking photos. I have no idea where Zara is. She's hiding.
It's fine, I can break them.
I don't know what she's doing. She's getting a picture of Grogu for some reason.
Can we take one of these?
She's setting up some sort of camera thing.
Everyone get in. Everyone get in.
1 second.
I'm only here, yeah. Good mate, how are you? Totally empty. I like it. I like it. Like some sort of spaceship over there.
Somebody's husband.
Look at these. Woo-wee! Hello, boys. What was that?
Control yourself,
What was
ladies.
that, Jamie?
Oh! I am taken.
Yes, way!
I'm driving.
Isn't that just a F-150?
Yeah, I think so.
That is it for Hollywood Studios. It's now 20 to 11 and the park closed at 9 o'clock. This is probably one of the latest nights we've had, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's been good though. Lots and lots of fun. Got a feeling this might be a long vlog, even though we've just done it in one part. Maybe we should have done it in two. But never mind. If it is a really long vlog and you stay to the end, then congratulations. You win.
Thank you.
You win nothing. But thank you very much.
Thank you, Ewan.
Yes.
Nothing.
So tomorrow's an exciting day. We've got Universal with Leanne and Rob.
Yes.
And then we are going to Epcot to drink our way around the world with Leanne, Rob, Jamie and Nick.
Without a car.
Without a
So
car.
we will be drinking.
And we're staying at Coronado with Leanne and Rob. Jamie and Nick are DVC, so they've got a preview of Guardians, and they're taking Leanne and Rob because Leanne was like super excited about it. So
Yes.
we were like, yeah, definitely take them. There's a lot of rides we still haven't done on this trip, so we were like, and it sounds stupid, I mean, we'll be excited about Guardians when it's open and when we come back, but right this second we're not. It's not like a priority to get Guardians done, or we weren't like, oh my god, I hope it opens when we get there, was it? So
I haven't, like when Jamie and Nick offered the places out, they offered them to all of us and said whoever wants it like the most is more than welcome to have it. I literally said I haven't googled anything about it, I don't even know what the ride's like. I'm happy it's coming, but I just don't know, so
yeah,
I'm not that excited.
Yeah, so like we said, we probably will be eventually, but right now we're not. So that's
probably once I've been on it and it's absolutely awesome, we'll be like,
which it will
oh
be.
my God.
You know it will be, because everything that Disney do when it comes to new rides and stuff is awesome. But that is going to do it for tonight. Whatever footage is put inable and not absolute just ridiculous from tonight, obviously will be in. So I'm sure that'll be good.
We don't vlog much anyway, mate.
Not particularly. No. Well, it sort of feels like we haven't, but sort of feels like we have, because it's been a long day, hasn't it? Well, even though we didn't leave the house, well, the hotel late, but anyway.
No, we didn't vlog much in Volcano. We didn't vlog much tonight. I think it'll be alright.
Okay, well,
It'll be good.
Anyway, exciting day tomorrow. So
Long day tomorrow.
Long day tomorrow, definitely.
Long day tomorrow.
But yeah, so and Kiki's for breakfast.
Oh yeah. Kiki's.
Yes. Okay, so we're at the car now, so that's it, we're off skis.
Good night.
So thanks for watching, and we'll see you real soon.
Peace out.
I always do this, I'm going to the wrong side. I am a passenger, and in America, passengers get in the driver's side.